Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, have I got a treat for you today? And this is not really a house for sale. It's more of a place that you might want to come stay when you arrive here in Santa Dominica, Talao. Now, of course, we have Casa Cristina, which we love and it's very beautiful, but sometimes you want to spread out. Sometimes you want to go swimming. Sometimes you want to bring your whole family and you need a lot of space. So check this out, guys. This is Villa Cristina in Santa Dominica, Talao. We just came in the gate and as you can see, it's very, very secure and there's tons of parking. So if you have more than one family coming, boy, you've got everything you need here. Look at this beautiful place. They've got a pool set up. They've got all of the lawn chairs out, the beautiful portico, barbecue. And then I'm going to show you later, but you have views of the sea from the pool and from the portico and from the windows inside the house. Let's go in. Now this house was very recently renovated and they've done a stunning job. The owners designed it themselves and you're going to see some really, really beautiful design features on the inside. These doors here were done by our friends at Ego Labs. That's Hermano and those guys who did the front door for Casa Cristina and all the interior doors. These are stunning works of art. Everything is hand done and it's natural chestnut. Just gorgeous. Okay, we're going in. Look at this beautiful entry, you guys. Oh, look at this. I love that. Okay, so you got your entry hall here. Very beautiful. Hello. And a little service bathroom. Very cute. You got a washer too, which is very nice. So if you're here for a long stay or you arrive after a long stay in Rome or some of the other areas, you can do your laundry. I have to say the air conditioning works a treat in here. It is nice and cool. And look at this beautiful open plan kitchen dining area. Just gorgeous. Now if you come during the winter, this wood stove here heats up the whole area super nicely. Let's have a look at the kitchen. Wow, this kitchen is stunning, guys. You like to cook? You got everything you need right here. Again, this house is not for sale, but the entire house here is for rent. If you come, you want a lot of space, or if you're bringing family. Beautifully appointed. Here's room number 1. Very comfy. Beautiful furnishings. Absolutely spectacularly done, you guys. I love these armoires. Look at them. Ooh, they're so pretty. I need to find out where he got those. Does that look familiar, guys? If you saw the bathroom in our house in Via Policastro, you would recognize those tiles. Everybody loves the Amalfitana look. And look, he actually got them to put in some shampoo boxes, which I haven't seen a lot here. And they're sliding in the shampoo boxes so you don't accidentally grab the conditioner when you're looking for shampoo. Beautifully appointed. Here's bedroom number 2. Again with ensuite, much like the first one. Tons of space, beautiful armadios, really lovely. Here's my favorite one. Here's the master. And they put the strip lighting up on the beams there, which I think is great. And it really shows you the beautiful details of the wood up in the ceiling there, or the roof. Very pretty. Beautifully appointed. This is really a high-end experience. Hello again. Ooh, I love this bathroom so much. Look, so pretty. Now from this room here, you have a beautiful sea view. I don't know if you can see beyond here, but that's your sea view. You can't really see it on video, but you can see it very, very clearly in life. And you've got that beautiful stretch of lawn, a beautiful private space to hang out with all of your family. Let's come out to this beautiful portico. These shutters are chestnut. And they were done also by our friends at Ego Labs. Beautiful custom-made designs, beautifully stained and mounted. They're just gorgeous. And of course, they're all over the house. But you have this gorgeous space here for dinner in the evenings, lunches out here, It's actually quite cool here with a beautiful breeze. It's been warm, I will be honest with you. July and August here in Calabria, it gets to be pretty hot, but under here you've got a nice breeze and it's very cool and welcoming. And over here you've got the view of the mountains. You've got a nice barbecue area. And again, I just love, for some reason, this big lawn just makes me so happy. Something about a big swath of green makes me happy and relaxed. And you know, there are many days I would give anything to take a dip in that pool. So you guys, I can't say enough wonderful things about Villa Cristina. It's absolutely gorgeous. And if you come here, the owners have put all their personal touches on this beautiful villa, and they're very, very proud and very happy to introduce it to you and to make it available for you when you need it and when you want to come. And in addition, we are working together, so if you tell them coupon code SUPERSAVVY or just mention our names, they're going to give you an extra special little treat in your refrigerator for you to enjoy when you get here. So there you go, guys. This is Villa Cristina in Santa Domenica, Tilao. Absolutely stunning. We'll see you soon.